Oh my god, can't believe it's actually happening. A lot of people were like eagerly waiting for this particular thing, and Nvidia has finally unveiled it today, guys. Their all new RTX 4080 GPU. So just a couple of weeks ago we got to check out their very first 40 series GPU, the RTX 4090, and we actually made like lots of videos on it as well. Whole new design, new architecture, and the kind of performance it was offering was like next level, guys. Total behemoth is what I can say. But keeping that aside, people were like really excited and eager for the younger sibling to drop by, because RTX 4080 strikes like the perfect balance between performance and the price. And guess what? We already have like a perfect edition in the house. This is like something special from ROG. It's their all new Strix OC edition RTX 4080. And when I unbox and show you the GPU, right, when you look at it for the first time, it's gonna totally blow your mind, guys. You'll be like speechless. The whole size, the ginormous size, the meatiness it packs is like totally next level stuff. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the video. Ta-da! Our brand new ROG Strix Gaming 4080 in the hand. Comes in this sort of huge box packaging. Very funky, I'd say. Just look at this thing. I cannot believe it's actually in the house today. You've got the ROG branding everywhere, and this is the OC edition, guys, with 16GB GDDR6X memory. Just like the 4090, even this is based on Nvidia's new Ada Lovelace architecture that features their all new streaming multi-processors, which offers up to 2 times performance and power efficiency compared to the last gen. You're getting brand new 4th gen tensor cores, 3rd gen ray tracing cores, and a whole lot of upgrades. Now coming to our variant, the ROG Strix edition, the whole design, look and feel, everything has changed compared to the last year, and I'm like pretty stoked to unbox and talk about it. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the unboxing part. Oh ho ho ho, our brand new RTX 4080 from ROG. What the? Are you people looking at the size of this thing? It's massive! We'll just come back to this in a moment. First, let me show you what else we get in the package. There's an accessory box in the lower section which includes some paperwork, a collectible card, and what's this? A puzzle? Moving on, you get a 16-pin to 3 8-pin power connector, a velcro strap, and a mini GPU holder. Very unique design. Also has like a little screwdriver built into this thing. And that is it. These were all the stuff we got in the package. Now let's finally check out the GPU, the main star of this show. And there you go, boys, our exclusive first hands-on ROG Strix RTX 4080. Holy moly, what in the isekai tech is this? Are you kidding me? It's ginormous in size. Is it 3 slot? No, I think it's a 3.5 slot design. Whoa! And also ROG's all new design looks pretty badass, guys. Let me just peel off this sticker. And let me tell you, peeling off stickers from brand new products is the most satisfying part about unboxing. Don't you guys agree? Anyways, let's talk about the design. ROG's all new Strix 4080 OC edition is a top tier gaming GPU with a triple fan design. You've got brand new Axial Tech fans that are slightly larger than the last gen, also offering 23% more air through the card. The new design artwork is also pretty cool, but for some reason it kinda reminds me of Spider-Man, especially because of that red and blue color pattern on the shroud. Top notch build quality, I can say. Entire shroud is made of die cast metal and has multiple RGB zones all around the body, fully controllable via software. Having a look at the side profile, here you've got the ROG branding as well. 2 fan connect headers are also there for DIY flexibility, and here's how the top view looks like. There's a massive block of aluminum heatsink fully exposed that keeps the thermals in check. And here's your 16-pin power connector. This is where you'll be connecting. Similar design on the bottom as well. You've got the PCI Gen 4 connector here, and here's how their new custom backplate looks like. As I've told you, all new design. Even this is entirely made of die cast metal with a large cutout on the end for air circulation and airflow. Beautiful ROG logo. There's also an Easter egg over here. Let's see how many of you people can actually crack it in the comment section down below. And look at this complete stainless steel 304 grade IO bracket that offers 3 display ports and 2 HDMI 2.1 ports. Well, that was our first look and exclusive unboxing of the 4080 4080, let me quickly talk about the hardware specs and highlights as well. So as I've told you, ROG Strix RTX 4080 is based on Nvidia's newest Ada Lovelace architecture, which is based on a 4nm TSMC process having a CUDA cores of 9728 and offers like a huge leap in terms of performance, efficiency and AI graphics as well. Basically everything is new over here. You're getting like brand new 4th gen tensor cores, 3rd gen ray tracing cores that offers up to 2 times improved ray tracing performance, and also brand new streaming multiprocessors as well. These new MPs deliver almost 2 times better performance and efficiency compared to the last gen GPUs. And not to miss out, Nvidia's DLSS 3.0, AV1 encoder support and a whole lot of new stuff. One more thing I'd like to mention is with the introduction of RTX 40 series, Nvidia has also introduced something known as shader execution reordering, also known as SER for short. And this thing improves the ray tracing operations by 2 times by boosting frame rates by almost like 44% in games like Cyberpunk 2077, especially while playing at ray tracing overdrive mode. So combine all of these new technologies together, you can expect like next level performance, either it be gaming or creative sort of applications. And lastly, coming to the specs, our ROG Strix 4080 is a mammoth guys, having 9728 CUDA cores with up to 16GB GDDR6X memory, featuring 304 tensor cores and 76 ray tracing acceleration cores, offers like a tremendous performance improvement. Well, that was our unboxing and exclusive first hands-on on the ROG Strix RTX 4080 GPU. So in the next couple of days, we'll be doing a lot of testing using this GPU. Obviously, we will do some amazing gaming PC builds, like literally most powerful gaming PCs, either featuring a Ryzen 7000 series or Intel 13 Gen, whichever is available. Or let me know if you'd like to see a face-off also, like a battle between Ryzen and Intel brand new CPUs powered by RTX 4080. That would be like very interesting, right? Anyways, let me know in the comment section down below. Keeping that aside guys, if you talk about the performance, well, we still haven't put it to a test, but Nvidia did give us some rough benchmarks. They're saying that the brand new RTX 4080 is almost like 2 times more powerful than their previous gen RTX 3090 Ti. But again, though that is something given by the brand, I'll have to personally build a PC, test it out, and then only I'll be sharing like practical real world performance benchmarks and numbers with you people in my coming videos. So stay tuned for that. Some awesome content is lined up in the next couple of weeks guys, so make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell icon on as well. And that's it. And coming to the price, I forgot to talk about that. So if you talk about the pricing, the founders edition is priced somewhere around like 1,19,000 rupees or something like that in India. I'll leave link to the website in the description box below, you can check it out there. Well, if you talk about the Strix ROG edition, we are still not sure about the exact pricing of this model. Anyways, I'll keep you updated once I get that in the description box below. And that's it. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video and got to check out this monster GPU. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.